my gosh, that smells so, oh, it just went in my eye. Oh my gosh. Well, hello Angel Pies and welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm doing something very exciting. We are reviewing the ALDI Luxury Advent Calendar. So just recently I saw that ALDI was releasing a Jo Malone dupe advent calendar. I had to get it because I need to check this out. I need to see what's going on with this. It was actually £50, so it's not cheap, but it's definitely cheaper than what you would get from Jo Malone. And today we're going to open all of the doors. It's only just been released, so I'm really lucky to have my hands on this. And who doesn't love a Christmas themed video? Because I blooming do. So just before I begin, hello to all my new subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, my name is Sophie, aka Sopherina. I make many videos like this on this channel, so if you don't want to miss any, make sure you subscribe down below because it really helps me out. And without further ado, let's get reviewing. Okay, so first up, here is the advent calendar. It is so much bigger than what I thought it was online. To be fair, I didn't actually look at the measurements, but it is huge and it's also ridiculously heavy. Second impression, it looks very much like Jo Malone packaging. So it's got the very cream, very crisp and clean look to it, with this simplistic black ribbon and black borders on this calendar. So it already looks very much Jo Malone, especially with the bow at the front. It has a label here which says to and from, so you can actually buy this and gift it for someone. To be fair, I don't feel like I'd be able to give this away. I feel like I'd have to keep it for myself. So hard to keep holding, so I need to undo the ribbon. Oh, I think it's sellotaped on. Hang on. Okay, so I had to give up with the whole trying to undo the ribbon thing, and I got myself some scissors. Ooh, my bra's on show. Okay, so the ribbon is finally on. There are two ribbons here, so you pull and the doors. Oh, look how nice that looks. OMG. So this is what the whole thing looks like. It looks so cute. Honestly, it looks really upper class, very sophisticated, very high end. So that's a really good impression, first of all, from ALDI for only £50. There are 24 boxes in all, and they all look like little drawers that you pull out and there'll be things inside. Also, can I say the smell coming from this is insane. It smells so nice. Honestly, that smell that you get when you walk into Jo Malone or the White Company, that beautiful fresh fragrance smell. But let's start opening the doors and actually seeing what's inside. Right, okay, so number one is here. If we pull it out, here we are, the little drawer, and inside is like something wrapped up in black tissue paper. The door itself is quite a good size, so let's open and find out. Oh, okay, nice. So in door number one, we have some body wash. Very, very Jo Malone-esque. Look at the packaging. The packaging is so Jo Malone, with the clear bottle and the black lid. So this is a real dupe, guys. This is a body wash, and from what I can smell already, it smells divine. That smells really nice, actually. It is a lime, basil and mandarin. You can really smell the lime in this. So I'm actually really happy with this. So I personally feel like that is a really good item for number one. The actual size of it isn't too big, considering the whole calendar was £50, but you do get 24 doors. But this, for a body wash, won't last you long, maybe one shower, maybe two showers. So in box number two, we have something else wrapped up. Ooh, nice. It's a luxury body cream. It just says luxury body creme here, and it says Peony number 11. So this is probably going to smell really florally. Wow, that is intense. I can't even tell you what it reminds me of, but it reminds me of someone's fragrance that they always wear. It might even be Jo Malone, but it smells ridiculously fresh and so luxurious. I can't even tell you. They smell beautiful. That smells actually divine. I can't even tell you. I've never actually tried cream or body creams from ALDI before. In fact, I don't think I've really ever been into ALDI properly and had a proper mooch around. Like, I've gone in there to get my fruit and veg and bits and bobs, you know, but I haven't looked at their other stuff for people. So this looks really good. It smells divine. It smells like a gorgeous perfume. I can't even tell you. Here we are. So let's unwrap. Oh, this feels a bit different. So we have a luxury eau de toilette. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I gave it a go. This is Fraser and Pear. They all sound so posh, so Jo Malone. Again, the packaging is very much Jo Malone. If you've ever got fragrance from Jo Malone, the packaging is very, very much similar. Wow, that smells so nice. Quite florally. Is Fraser a flower? I don't know why I don't know that, but I don't. Let me know in the comments down below what Fraser is. It's also quite a good size actually. That's a very much handbag type of thing. Throw it in your handbag and you're done. Okay, so in number 4 we have a luxury hand and body lotion. So this is again quite Jo Malone packaging. Oh, that smells so nice. What is that? Blackberry. Oh, so we all know that Jo Malone has a really good blackberry fragrance, so this is where it's inspired from. It smells quite similar. This one smells a lot more subtle though, which is what I like. It smells less musky. Jo Malone has quite musky smells, whereas this is not musky. Okay, in door number 5, oh my gosh, look at this. We have a little candle, pomegranate candle. I didn't know pomegranate smelled like that. It kind of smells Christmassy, like it's got apple spice in, which I don't mind. I love, because I love Christmas. But that's really sweet. It's kind of like a bathroom sized candle. Have this on your bathroom shelf when you're going for a bath. Light some candles. There's nothing better. Don't even tell me I'm wrong. So it says pomegranate number 3. So they're using all the number 3. That's kind of like a Chanel as well. This is very upmarket looking, and considering it's such a good price, so far I love all the products and I love all the packaging. Okay, so door number 6 we have another body wash. So it's in the same size tube and it's also the same packaging, very much Jo Malone-esque. Wow, that is very, very pigmented, is that a word? Like, the fragrance is really strong. This is flavoured Velvety Rose and it's so rosy, if that's a word. It is so, it's almost a bit sickly. So this is the first one where I'm not too keen on the smell. I actually love the smell of rose in bath products, but this smells quite sickly. I can't even explain. I think it's a bit too sweet for me. But again, I like the packaging and I probably will use it. It'll probably dim down when you've got hot water. Okay, so in door number 7, we have another fragrance. This is Peony. That is so nice. It kind of smells like an old lady, but like a nice old lady. That is so nice. Oh my gosh. One thing I will say is, so far, every single product, the smells are really intense. They're not too subtle. Sorry, I'm just choking on Peony right now. But it does smell really nice. This kind of does smell like an old woman though, but I don't mind that. I feel like during the day, everyone wants to smell like a nice old lady, don't they? So maybe not an evening spray, maybe more a daytime spray. But I really like this. Again, the packaging's gorgeous. I feel like with all of these, I'm gonna have them in a row next to each other in the bathroom and it will look really pretty. Props to ALDI so far. Okay, so door number 8 feels like another candle. Yes, it is. What is this? This is Fraser and Pear. Didn't we have a Fraser and Pear? Yeah, so this is a Fraser and Pear candle. So we had a Fraser and Pear body thing before and this is the candle. The candle smells really nice, quite subtle. I'm sure it smells nicer when it's burning, but that's a really nice smell, so I like that. Door number 9 is the luxury hand and body lotion in lime, basil and mandarin. This is a good size just to put in your handbag for a hand cream. I actually love this smell as well from what I smelled before. Door number 10, we have a pomegranate luxury body cream. So that smells really nice. Again, pomegranate smells really Christmassy to me. I don't know why that's smelling so Christmassy, but that smells really nice and Christmassy. So I will be using that throughout the next coming months. Okay, door number 11 is the lime, basil and mandarin eau de toilette. I feel like I'm gonna really get ripped to pieces in my comments, but you know, it's all fun and games, guys. So this is the spray. I'm not gonna spray it because my room smells crazy right now, but I actually really like this smell. Again, it's gonna look nice on my dressing table. Okay, door number 12, we have Velvety Rose Luxury Hand and Body Lotion. So the Velvety Rose flavour I wasn't too keen on, the smell that I smelled before. I wonder if it's different in the hand and body lotion. Let's see. It's still quite sickly. I feel like that smell is the only smell out of the whole calendar I don't like. It's really sickly and kind of makes you feel a bit sick when you smell it. So that's the only smell I'm not keen on. But little things like this, you know, you could give as presents to people. Just like wrap a little sachet of a few bits and bobs from this calendar up and give to someone. I feel like that's a really good Christmas present idea. Is it just me? Number 13, lucky 13, where are you? Okay, so door number 13, we have the hand and body wash in the Fraser and Pear. So far I feel like this is my favourite smell, and these are my, oh, that smells so good. These are my favourite things to receive in this calendar as well, the body washes, because I actually love the packaging. It is so Jo Malone, and they are the nicest smelling. I don't know if it's because it's a different formula, but the body washes are such nice smells. So, oh, we have the Blackberry Eau de Toilette. Yeah, I love that. That is probably, out of everything, this is going to be the most Jo Malone-esque thing you've got. I'm honestly going to have the most well-stocked, glamorous bathroom after I put all of these products out, because all of these are going to look so cute together and they smell so good. Oh, a new smell. So the next item is the Luxury Body Cream in Deep Amber. It smells like coconut. Wow. That smells really coconutty, and it's really reminding me of something. It really reminds me of the smell that I used to always smell when I lived in Dubai. That smells insane. That smells so good. That's going to make you smell so nice. Your skin is going to smell so sweet and coconutty. This smells really, really nice. So this is the number 15 Deep Amber Luxury Body Creme, and I'm liking this one. I feel like out of all the body creams, I like this smell the most, which is weird because I'm not normally a coconut fan, but there's something else in there that smells divine. I can't even tell you. Also, there is not much information about the products on each product, but on the back of the advent calendar there is a huge list, and I think it lists out all the ingredients. Okay, so 16 feels heavy. Okay, so number 16 is a Peony Blush luxury flavored fragranced candle. That smells really pretty. That's such like a garden smell, so this would be good to like sit in your kitchen or in your bathroom or near an open window, so it feels like the actual flowers are coming through your window. No? Yes? Unreal. Oh my gosh, this is so Jo Malone. I'm so glad it kind of changed the packaging up a bit, because I was feeling like it was a bit samey, but it's not. We have an Eau de Toilette in Velvety Rose. So it's not my favourite smell, which is a shame because I love the bottle, but I am so happy to see that. Yeah, I really don't like that smell. Really not me. I might give it to my boyfriend, because I feel like that's a, you know, a more man style packaging. Door number 18, we have luxury hand and body lotion in the flavour Pomegranate. Pomegranate so far is like, I think it's my favourite smell out of all of them, as well as the Deep Amber. So I'm very happy with this. Don't need to test it because I've already tested one similar. Okay, in door number 19, we have the Lime, Basil and Mandarin candle. So, whoa, that has a bit of a funky smell. The candle actually smells a bit different to the products with this fragrance. So it's almost like I can smell the basil a lot more in this candle than I can. But it still smells nice. I still feel like I would light it. I feel like, okay, we're getting closer to day 24, and I feel like I really would love a big surprise. Oh, we have another, oh yes. Okay, so the next product, again in door number 20, we have a black bottle Eau de Toilette, and this is in the fragrance Deep Amber, which I'm so happy about because I've only got one other product with the fragrance Deep Amber, and so far it has been like my second favourite smell. That is going to be so nice. I feel like this is going to be a bottle that I'd want to spray over my clothes and just in the room to make the room smell really nice. I think with an Eau de Toilette you can do that. I'm really happy with this. I also love this packaging. This packaging is so classy and sophisticated. I'm actually so impressed with this advent calendar. Okay, so in door number 21 we have a luxury hand and body wash in the flavour Peony. This is actually a really nice smell. Again, I love these little bottles. I do think they're a little bit too small though to be body washes, because for me I would use this product when I'm in the shower or the bath. So these are a little bit of a letdown considering how small they are, but it's good that we've got lots in this calendar. Okay, in door number 22 we have the Fraser and Pear Luxury Body Cream. I already love this smell. I'm gonna see if it smells any different. Nope, that smells so nice. That is such a nice and fresh, kind of springy, summery smell. It's not very autumny or Christmassy, but it still smells really nice. Oh, that smells Christmassy. Okay, so door number 23, we have a Blackberry and Bay Candle. So this is actually the only fragrance with Blackberry and Bay. I've just had Blackberry before, but this smells really nice. It smells quite sweet, but it smells quite Christmassy. So this is probably one I'm going to light in my bathroom now and save the others until after Christmas. But yeah, that smells so good. Okay, what does Christmas Eve have for us? Okay, and in door number 24, which is Christmas Eve, we have the Pomegranate Luxury Eau de Toilette. That is the last time you have to hear me saying that. Blooming hell, Sophie. But I'm going to spray this one because I haven't tested the pomegranate in a spray form yet, and I love... That smells so... Oh, it just went in my eye. Okay, this smells ridiculously Christmassy. I can't even tell you. I didn't know pomegranate is really a Christmas smell, but it definitely smells, it just reminds me of Christmas. I don't know why. So this is going to be my winter smell, I think. I really, really, really like that. Okay, so overall, I'm not going to lie, I'm so impressed with this advent calendar. It has exceeded all my expectations. I didn't realise it would be that nice. It was £50, so it's not actually that cheap. But if you think about the products inside, and they're all meant to be Jo Malone dupes, I think the price is worth it. Most of the products are really good sizes, apart from the body washes. I think they're a little bit too small to shower. Generally, they smell divine. I think it's a really good quality, especially for ALDI. I hear very good things about ALDI, and I probably need to go in there a little bit more. So if you want a luxury advent calendar and you want something a little bit different, you might want to treat your better half or someone to this advent calendar. I definitely think this is worth the money, definitely worth the $49.99. Also, added bonus, I got free delivery, so that's very good. Thank you very much, ALDI. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, what you thought about the advent calendar. I am so impressed with it. As always, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you are new, my name is Sophie, aka Sopherina, and I make many videos on this channel similar to the one I have just filmed. So if you like that kind of thing, make sure you're subscribed down below because it really helps my channel out, and also I don't want you to miss any of my future videos. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Mwah. Bye.